It is important to know the why and the where a particular element has failed prior to the establishment of the how. Removing the paint from a repair area and determining the scope of repair work needed will allow the homeowner, building manager, or contractor to get a realistic picture of the costs associated with repair versus replacement. Often, the assessment of a building's condition is made strictly on the quality of the paint film. Most of the time, only 5 to 10% of the building's wood substrate requires repair. Paint failures can often be attributed to poor surface preparation or high moisture content in the wood. Older linseed oil-based paints are prone to cracking or alligatoring over time. In the case of window restoration, sills, bottom rails, and lower brick moldings are the most likely to exhibit these issues. Exposed end grain, open joints, and cracks or fissures in the paint can allow moisture to penetrate below the surface of the wood substrate. When considering repair versus replacement, remember that the quality of old-growth wood can withstand considerable moisture and UV light degradation. As little as 1/4 to 1/2 an inch below the surface could lie solid wood that will hold up better and longer than any replacement window available today. This video is a look at the restoration of the historic wooden windows of the Belnord apartment building in New York City. Project manager Salvador Iglesias of Candido Basonas Construction Corporation describes the advantages of using ART 401 Flex-Tec over total window replacement on this project.
Hi, my name is Sal with Candido Basonas. We are having a project in 225 West 86th Street, which is the Belnord, which is a 1908 turn-of-the-century building. One of the largest apartment buildings in the city, with one of the largest courtyards in the city, and it has many old turn-of-the-century wooden windows, which are landmark status, which means that it needs to comply with landmarks preservation to make sure that all the aspects of the original building are kept up to with any restoration. So that requires us to go through rigorous checks with the landmarks building to make sure that we're keeping the original exterior of the building as it was when it first was built in 1908. So Flex-Tec's repair system allowed us to keep the windows to their original appearance when they first were put in, allowing us to maintain landmark status. As far as the Flex-Tec's repair system, it also is more economical than having to replace the window itself. And labor is not very costly because you don't need a lot of skill to use repair tech system. We've never come across another product like Flex-Tec epoxy repair system. Nothing else comes close to it in the strength, the resiliency. Anything else would need additional sealers and paints to keep it as resilient as if you were not using the epoxy resin. Yes, and I knew about this product when I also saw a clip from this old house Salvador was repairing old wooden window, and you also noticed that the product was very durable and it was very easy to work with. Our company, Candido Basonas, have always tried to preserve all original work on our facades and of our buildings. And this material really allows us to do that because you can maintain the windows and put them back to what they were when they were first put into the building. We are planning to use this product whenever we find the need to use it in such projects. I hope that our project will give ideas to other people to work on their projects at home and also commercial.